So we can start with, if we have 3 plus 4 plus 5, we start with the biggest number, so that is 5. So then we add the two numbers together. So let's add the next biggest number, which is going to be the 4. So we've started at 5 on the number line. We're going to count 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we're doing that from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we need to add the 3. So 9 and 3, so 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is 12. So then we have the next question. Biggest number first, so we've got 6. So we'll start at 6. Which is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then we're adding the next number, so we're adding 5. So we do a jump of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looking at that number 10, what comes straight after number 10 is 11. So we're on number 11 now, and we just need to add the 3. So if we're adding 3, we're doing 3 jumps. So we're starting 11, so 12, 13, 14. So the answer is 14. Then we come to some bigger numbers. Alright, so we've got 9. And that is the biggest number there, so I'm going to get to 9 on our number line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're doing 8 jumps. So we start at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's 8 jumps. So we're at 17. Then we're going to add 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is where we need to be. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So our final answer is 24. So your task now is to look at the worksheets that you've got, and you are going to have a go at adding 3-digit numbers using a number line. Alright, so remember, when you do it, think about the biggest number. So let's start with the biggest. Add 2 numbers together first. What's the total of that? Make sure you're marking them on the number line. Alright, so can you see how I've got the numbers here? We do this so we don't get lost in our number line. Alright, so we've added 2 together. So for example, here we've got 9 and 8 equals 17, and then we're adding the next numbers to the total. So we're at 17, we're adding 7, and it equaled 24.